Okay, let's see. What do I want to say? I don't know. Ambrose, what do I want to say?
I don't know.
Okay. Hello and welcome back. Today is Saturday and I needed to go shopping for a bunch of freezer meals that I'm planning to make and also a few things to fill in here and there. This wasn't a big 2-week shopping trip. It was more of just a random Saturday shopping trip. So I went with my husband Ryan to Costco. I actually just sent him in for 2 things and he came out with a few more to Costco, and then we both went into Sam's together and then to Aldi. So let me go ahead and show you everything that we got today. Okay, first up we have a pair of athletic pants. This is obviously something that Ryan grabbed. I'm not even sure whose those are for. And he got 2 packs of clothes for George, one with sharks, pants and shorts, and then another with a helicopter and camo. There it is. See it, Ambrose?
Yeah.
So those are nice for George. And then 3 2-packs of the Rouse marinara sauce. This is part of what I need for the freezer meals. I'm making 6 baked rigatoni, so that is for that. And then I needed an extra brown sugar so that I have one for backup. So that was just everything from Costco. Next, we are on to Sam's. Got 2 of these Southwest chopped salad kits. I have several kids who really love those, so I try to. Do you like those, Ambrose?
No.
So I try to pick up a couple of those whenever I'm in Sam's. So I have some green bell peppers. Those are for some freezer meatloafs that I'm going to be making. A big bag of yellow onions. They still had pork loins at Costco for $1.99 a pound, so I went ahead and got another big one of these. This will be 2 meals for us. And then I got a big chub, I guess is what it's called, of ground beef, and this is 10 pounds. This is going to be freezer meatloaves. Most of the time now we use ground venison that my son and daughter shot this past winter is what we will use for meals, but for the meatloaves I like to use ground beef for that. So, and then we also got a pack of pork chops for a grill meal. We usually do those on the weekends, and then a pack of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. This will also be done on the grill. Then I got 2 more bags of these Southern style chicken bites. These are, I think, supposed to be similar to Chick-fil-A's, and the kids really, it is?
I don't like it.
You don't like it? A lot of the kids like these.
I don't.
Ambrose does not. So we got these, two bags of those. We tried these out the last time I went to Sam's. And what do you think, Ambrose?
They were good.
They were good. Yay.
Yummy.
So we put these on buns, and for a really easy meal, just like the chicken nuggets, it's good to have those around for days when things are going kind of crazy. So I got a big bag of the mozzarella cheese. Those are going to be for the freezer rigatonis. And then I saw this for the first time. Sam's Club is now carrying waffle fries. I think they have a whole line of things that are supposed to mimic Chick-fil-A food, because there's the waffle fries, there's the Southern style chicken bites, and then I saw today too, we didn't buy any, but they have Southern style chicken sandwiches and then Southern style spicy chicken sandwiches. So I think that they're trying to go after some of Chick-fil-A's market. I also bought one of these containers of avocado salsa. The glare. Oh, there's a lot of sun today. So it's avocado salsa. It's very, very delicious. So I got that to go with potato wedges or tortilla chips for a snack. So we got a sample pack of IPA. And then this, I'm really excited about this. I got 2 of these really big planters to go on the back deck. For past spring/summers, I've bought these already assembled with the plants inside, and they're really, really, really expensive. So this year I'm going to DIY it and save some money, hopefully. That's the plan anyway. And then we got 2 boxes of yogurt, Yoplait yogurts. These were on sale this week. I think it came out to 47 cents per cup. So I bought 2 of those. These will probably only last us 3 days because the kids get really excited with the yogurts.
Probably.
Okay, so this now we're into Aldi territory. My husband went into Aldi, so he came out with a bag of jalapeno chips, which he loves. This is 6 bags of the bronze die cut rigatoni. This is for my freezer rigatonis.
The 3 cracker packs.
3 cracker packs, 3 boxes of crackers. So my meatloaf actually calls for some of these, and then we like to keep some of these around for snacks. 3, what are these called? 3 containers, 3 bottles, I don't know. Parmesan from Aldi. 6 ricottas. These are for freezer rigatonis. And then 10 pounds of Italian sausage. This is a variety of different types. So we have hot, we have mild, and then some sweet. This one's mild.
So this?
So look, Ambrose, this is loose. These are in casings, but it's the same thing, basically, except one's hot and one's mild. Okay, so that's the trip. Let's go look at the receipts. So at Sam's, we did the scan and go again. I don't know if the camera's going to allow that to focus. There we go. Today's visit was $256.69 at Sam's. And then at Costco, we ended up spending, let's see, $91.02. And then for Aldi, we spent $66.39. So all in all, not terribly expensive, but again, this isn't major heavy-duty grocery shopping. It's really more for freezer meals and a couple things to fill in. So thank you for joining me today and checking out what we got, me and Ambrose. I'll see you next time. Bye.